Crazy.
All right, YouTube, you already know who this is. No introduction needed. But I just want to start this off. My boy getting a high-low taper fade on some twists. So we're just going to get into it. You guys already know the steps and everything. And, let's just watch the video until, I get up on the next step. So let's get it. All right, guys, I'm going to punch that first initial guideline in with my cocoa trims. I usually don't punch my lines in like this, but I just want to, show you guys how I do it when I'm not recording videos. But you want to punch that first initial guideline in and make sure you clean up after yourself and always brush behind yourself so, you can have a clean canvas. But yeah, just make sure everything is legit before you move on to the next step. So let's get it again.
Crazy.
Then I'm coming in with no guards, blade open, make my second initial guideline. What I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to find the fade area. So this is the most important part of the haircut to me. It might be different from other barbers. But when you pay attention to this part right here, this right here gives the transition from the fade to the blend. So, you want to take that into consideration in working in that area as well. So always adjust, use your corners, and always repetitively brush the client's hair, and whatever needed, provide it. So let's get it.
Crazy.
Then I'm about to lock in on my number one guard. I have that junk wide open. Yeah, I'm going up to the parietal ridge area because, his hair stop up there. It's actually a disconnection point, but he wanted his hair to be covered. And he actually asked for it to be a little heavy in the parietal ridge area, so I left the little hairs right there. But I just work with what I can, to make what I can. But always remember to adjust your clippers. And after I come back from the one open, I'm going to turn around and close them so you guys can see the next step. So right now, I still have them open. But I'm actually, just grazing up to make sure I'm getting everything because, everything do need to go through the teeth of the guards to, lay the hair down perfectly so I can follow up with the next step.
Crazy.
All right, guys, then I follow back with my zero guard close. What I'm doing right now is just actually feathering out that one close because, it don't take too much for to fade that area out. Now, that's the main point right there. Actually, that's the very most important part of the whole haircut process because, you had to close that zero to match it over with that one close. I mean, if you don't understand what I'm saying, you can always rewind the video because like I always say in my videos, this is YouTube. But always use your corners of the blade that you referring back to because, you want to make sure every hair is cut and, you want to make sure every piece of the hair is brushed down as you cut it, all that good stuff. So let's get it.
Crazy.
All right, YouTube, yeah, this haircut is crazy, like he just said, but it's going to be fire too. But you can see that blend coming in. I'm just actually using the corners of my one guard, two notches from being closed, just using them corners, just, feed the hairs that need to be taken away. Whatever guards I use to start the haircut with, those are the same exact guards that I'm used to finish the haircut with because, you always want to refer back to the remaining guards that you used in the first beginning of the haircut, even if you had to adjust the guard, so always be aware of that. And the way I do my haircuts, I have my guards laying out so I can just reach behind me, grab my guard, put them on, and I already know the adjustment for them. So to make a long story short, man, just remember to always have your guards sitting out so you can start on the next step.
Crazy.
Now I close my Stylecraft Instinct. The only thing I'm doing right now is just a little level play. I'm just, using my corners to make sure I take that line out so I can follow up with the next step. But as you can see that the fade is coming about. You know what I'm saying? Look at that fade, man. Your boy Black Prince the Barber is putting it down. So you know what I'm saying? So always remember to always go back on your work, double check your work before you move to the next step. I just have one question. How does the haircut look to you, man? Because it look what?
Crazy.
It does look crazy, and it's going to be fire too. So if you guys stick around long enough, man, you're going to see the end results. But you know what I'm saying? We're just going to focus on one side to see how this side, you know what I'm saying, turn out, so we can go ahead and continue with the next step.
Crazy.
I just want to let you guys know I'm big on detail work. Whatever guards I started off with, like I told you before, I always go back and double check my work, because you know what I'm saying, if I see some weight need to be taken off, I'm going to take that referring guard that I used at first and go back and, you know what I'm saying, just do a little adjustment play just to get what I see that need to be taken off.
Crazy.
Same steps on this side, guys. Whatever you see me do to the first side, I'm doing it to this side, because you know what I'm saying, I want both sides to look just alike. But what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna fast forward it until we get up to the edge up.
Crazy. Crazy.
All right, guys, since I already had him turned around that way, I just want to start the edge up from this point of view right here, because you know what I'm saying, I just want to let you guys know it really don't take much, man. Just start where you can, man. Whatever feel comfortable for you, man, you do that. But I just want to say one thing, man. Look at that fade of his taper, man, from this angle. Do you guys see that, bro? And he did not ask for a high fade, high taper. He did not ask for a low taper. He asked for a high-low taper. And I'm like, okay, I be seeing YouTubers do that, so why not me? You know what I'm saying? I'm a barber, so you know what I'm saying, I know how to do whatever they ask for, because you know what I'm saying, if they want it, they can get it.
Crazy. Crazy.
All right, guys, I won't be mad if you be honest, man, but I want to give my opinion about this fade, man. That fade is fresh to me, dog. If you guys stuck around long enough and see this fade right here, man, this is the final results of the haircut. So I just want to let you know, if you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, because your boy Black Prince the Barber, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't know when I drop a video. I just be uploading videos to YouTube. So, you know what I'm saying, this is it right here. So I don't be like other YouTubers, you know what I'm saying, upload every week to give you guys a cliffhanger. I'm not with that cliffhanger stuff, man. I'm going to give you the sauce. I'm going to give you everything that you need, man. So with that being said, man, it's your boy Black Prince the Barber. May God bless. Peace.